Morning, good morning, good morning. Welcome back, everyone. Long time no see. I wanted to follow up with you guys with Bitcoin on a daily time frame. I would be looking for a little bit of a pushback, probably into 66,000, maybe 67,000-ish around there, and see if we hold that at support. If we have open and closes underneath that 67,000, I'm looking for 60K to test the bottom, wicks. And then if we lose that, I'm looking for 54, which is clearly labeled on this chart. So there should be no surprises there. I do see that it looks like we're about to start doing some kind of a distributional top. Even if so, we should be looking for sideways and down into support, which is around 66K. And then we can see what happens if we lose that level into the weekly close. Going to the 4 hour time frame, we're actually testing into that support right here at that 68,700. 4 hour open and close underneath that, I'll be looking for that 63.8, about 64K, and looking for the support there before the daily close because of the previous times we stopped. Even if we do stop over there, it will be a higher low and 3 consecutive drives to the downside, meaning we could round out and look for some upside resistance after that. We did have a nice little swing failure pattern today. As we took the highs, we had a fast rejection, and that's basically what we're waiting to see is if that rejection was a warning for lower or if it was just a test of support to shake out over leverage longs before we continue the path up. So that's what we're going to wait to find out on Bitcoin. Let's go take a quick look at ETH on a daily. And you can see ETH also getting that nice little rejection, but it's into the support of that 34.50. If we close a daily underneath 34.50, I'll be looking for that 32.50 to 3K area if we lose those moving forward. Going to the 4 hour time frame, you can see that we're actually flirting with that support in a little bull flag formation. How do I do it? You can see this little bull flag right here that if we can hold, we will basically look for upside continuation. The line in the sand is that 34.30 level. If we can hold above that with 4 hour open and closes, we can look for upside continuation probably into daily close. But if we start trickling down that $3,400 level, then the risk of us testing into 32 to 31.50 is there into the daily close. And then we have to see, is the daily close going to be a higher low or not? So just be aware of that. Right now, everything does look good for this upside continuation, but you can see that this is a potential bear flag situation for that downward continuation. Okay, so if we get this downward path, we have it marked. If we get the upward path, we have it marked. It all depends on the 4 hour opening closes. If you got closes above 34.30, I'm looking for upside. If you have closes underneath 34.30, I'm looking for downside. And basically, 34.30 is the line in the sand for this bull flag to basically play out, or it's going to turn into a bear flag and dump to the downside. So remove all those doodles. And the last thing I wanted to go over was DXY. Okay, so DXY is doing its thing. Does look like it's filling out its consolidation as we were expecting. If you go to a higher time frame, you can see that this consolidation is looking good for upwards continuation, probably to 106, 107 in the next month or two. So just be aware that here, even on weekly, yeah, we got a little pushback, but the pushback is into a bullish consolidation. And then we can look for breakout above this 104, 105 level. And when that happens, you should be looking for downside into Bitcoin and ETH. But if we play out the downward consolidation here, that will give you the upside push. So if this starts trickling down here and then starts losing 103.70, well, that's your warning that, hey, upside is more likely on Bitcoin and ETH because Dixie is going to get a little bit deeper dive and grind support. And Dixie loves doing that too because if you look on these higher time frames, it grinds out support for like weeks at a time. So it's not going to surprise us filling in this 103 area before we get to 107 and whatnot. Um, yeah, that's basically all I'm looking for right now. If you guys have any questions or concerns, leave it in the comment section below. If you are interested in trading with me live, please feel free to join us on the Discord server. The link to the server is in the description of this video below, alongside all the other affiliate services that I use and recommend that helps this channel grow. So thank you so much for your time, and I hope to see you guys in the next one. Oh, quickly. Look at Tesla. Tesla is filling on the bottom consolidation, hitting its first resistance here at the 184. But then after that, we're looking for basically 200. And that's basically what I'm looking for into next week. Going into 187, and then basically once you claim this 180 level, I'm looking for us to just quickly snap to like 215 in an inverse head and shoulder situation. You can see this was a very ugly pullback. A lot of people are probably annoyed, but this can just break out like this and go up. So as long as you are long term on Tesla, a little bit of consolidation and a breakout is completely okay. Just be patient. It's a big market cap company. A lot of people are trying to buy this, and yeah, it's going to take some time, but more than likely, you're going to be rewarded in the long run. They have so much stuff coming out, guys. Let's just be real. It's Tesla. Yeah, that's basically all I have to say. I would be looking for 200 first before I look for higher targets. All right, guys. Well, have a great day. Talk to you soon. Leave me a like, subscribe, press the button for notifications.